Good days to Miss Liu. We are Group 19 from class RY32. First of all, we all want to introduce ourselves before start our presentation today. We have 5 in group, which is me, YAHYA, then Muhammad HANNAN bin YAHYA, Muhammad THAQIEF bin MUZAMIR, Muhammad ZHARFAN AZFAR bin AZHAR, then the last one is Muhammad ZULIKRAM FIRDAUS bin DAUD. The topic for today is motor, generators, and transformers. Then I will pass my turn to Muhammad THAQIEF to explain the introduction of this topic. Thank you.
Hi, Miss Liu. My name is Muhammad THAQIEF bin MUZAMIR. My matric is 211362713 and I'm from RY32. Today, I want to talk about what is generator, motor, and transformer. Okay, so first, the generator. The generator is a device can convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. The opposite for generator is an electric generator. The electric generator principle work is using electromagnetic induction. The poles of a horseshoe-shaped magnet are rapidly rotated around a conductor coil. So we can see the figure, how does an electric generator work. For active graphic, it states if the movement of the wires in the two form of a rotating coil, then the two sides of the coil move in opposite direction, which is for north and south magnet will move opposite direction and will generate voltage F. Since the rotation produces different direction of motion at different points on the circle, the voltage will generate is sinusoidal AC. Second is the motors. Electric motor is 100% total percent opposite of a generator. The motor use the torque on a current loop to create mechanical energy. So we can see from the figure, when electric current passes through a coil in a magnetic field, the magnetic force F will produce a torque which turns the DC motor. So, formula for magnetic force is F equal to force, which is F equal to I, the current, L for length, and B a magnetic field, X perpendicular to both wire and magnetic field. Lastly, for transformer, the transformer can change the voltage of a circuit without a reduction in force. Both circuits must have the same of the power, such as the voltage is higher, the current must be lower. Iron core allows the magnetic flux from primary coil to pass through the secondary coil. We have three types of transformer, which is step up, step down, and coupling. The transformer also can transfer an electrical energy between two circuits, and changing current in one transformer coil will produce fluctuating magnetic field. That turn causes a fluctuating electromotive force, which is EMF, to vary in a second coil or second winding. Magnetic field will allow power to be transferred between two coils of the transformer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi Miss, I am YAHYA. My matrix number is 211361421. Now I want to explain about the problem statement of this topic. Sometimes we may notice that when some consumer electronic device such as a refrigerators or an air conditioners are turned on for a period of time, but the light will dim momentarily. Why will like this? This is because in the initial stage, the motor of the device requires a large of current to start the machine at operating speed. As the motor operating, much lesser current is required to keep it working. One way to analyze this is to realize that rotating electrical machines also work like generators. A motor has a coil that is rotated in magnetic field, which is induced an electromotive force. This electromotive force, also known as back EMF, opposes the applied voltage that originally caused the motor to rotate and reduce the current flowing through the coil. At the operating speed, there is sufficient current flowing to overcome any losses due to friction and to provide the necessary energy for the motor to work. This is usually much less current than that is required to turn the motor in the first place. That's all from me. Thank you.
To Miss Liu, I'm Muhammad ZULIKRAM FIRDAUS bin DAUD. My metric number is 21136274 and I'm from RY32. Today I will explain of process of innovation, motor, generator and transformer. Okay, first motor. Motor was embodied by Andrew Gordon with experimentation of electrostatic motor in 1740. Then 1820 Hans Christian Ørsted proving a direct connection between electricity and magnetism. At the same year, a solenoid invented by Andrew Mary Ampere. 8 years later, Ennius gently created the first electromagnetic powered commutated rotary machine. 1834, first power electric motor was created by Vermont Thomas Davenport. In 1886, DC motor was invented by William Sturgeon. 2 years later, AC induction motor is patented by Nikola Tesla. Then 1891, three-phase motor invented. Next, generator. Generator was invented by French Hippolyte Pizzi by using FIRDAUS law in 1832. 1860, the dynamo that produced continuous DC power was developed by Pacinotti. Then 11 years later, ZULIKRAM added an iron core to the magnetic field, improved the magnetic flux routes. In the new century, the AC grid system with improved control and potent electric motor. Lastly, the transformer. 1885 transformer was invented by William Stanley. In 1886, first AC power system using a contemporary transformer was built up in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. 1891, Mikhail Dolivod-Robowoski employed his transformer in the first robust total AC system. This includes transmission, transformer, alternator, electric motor, and lamps. We call three-phase transformer. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi Miss Liu, my name is Muhammad ZHARFAN AZFAR bin AZHAR. My metric number is 211361420. Today I would like to explain about the generators, motors, and transformers contribute to public health and environmental safety. The good thing that may affect public health and environmental safety is fuel efficiency. Diesel generators tend to consume less fuel combustion but keep performing the same amount of work. That means less pollution produced to the public that can lead to a lot of disease to people like difficulty to breathing and sore throat. The percentage to get a haze will decrease and people will get a better life. Due to the negative goods, this is one of the problems that may affect public health and environmental safety, which is noise. Some diesel generators can be very loud and can lead to hearing loss and noise pollution. That's why people should aware to choose generators that fulfill their preference. Construction workers also can make a soundproof barrier to reduce the noise in the workplace and wear protective earmuffs to secure their ears. One of the advantages that may affect public health and environmental safety of the application of motor is hygiene. Generally, we can see an exhaust fan in public toilet. The main part is the motor to functioning as the blade fan. The exhaust fan operates to maintain a hygienic environment in the toilet. This helps people to get a good quality air without germs and remove unpleasant smell in the toilet. Smokers use to make a toilet is one of their best place to smoke. Smoke and bad odors from cigarette can be eliminated by an exhaust fan. The bad thing that may affect public health and environmental safety is overheating. The most universal motor will get overheat when used overly. Some of them are made with a cooling system like self-cooling fans, but they are not too practical. This is because of the power requirement. and the bigger size of the motor to make sure it is compact. This thing will harm the environmental safety of people. So for the transformers have a lot of advantages, and one of them is efficient component. Based on research, transformers inspect as 97% energy efficient electrical devices. That means transformers required as component with fewer energy loss, like heat, sounds, and vibration. This makes transformers user-friendly to the users and environment. The bad thing that may affect public health and the environment is Asian technology. This makes transformers still depend on a lot of electrical machinery and networks. More human power will be used to make transformers, and it takes more time to invent intelligent transformers to reduce the probability to harm workers and the environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Elias. My name is Muhammad YAHYA. My matric number is 2113611419. I will talk about the conclusion. An AC generator uses mechanical energy to supply electricity. Unlike the other type of generators, it does not generate electricity. Instead, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Its structure includes a field magnet, slip rings, and energy source. An electric motor uses the torque generated by a loop of current to create mechanical energy. Most of this works by interacting with a one-wire electrical current and magnetic field. This interaction produces force in the form of torque. The rotor and stator are a motor's two most crucial components. Regarding the transformer, the ratio of the turns of the two solenoids should immediately related to the voltage change. The voltage ratio for the secondary solenoid was not exactly the same as that for the primary one due to its large interior area. The factors such as operating frequency, power rating, and temperature should also be taken into account when choosing a three-phase or single-phase transformer. Besides controlling the power supply, they also play a vital role in the long-distance distribution of electricity. Thank you.